Natasha Antonioni here, realtor and intentional designer here in Austin, Texas. And today we're gonna dive into the world of real estate goals and the incredible power of mindset. You see, our lives are a reflection of what we allow. And if you have bigger goals than your current situation, it's time to break through those barriers and give yourself the gift of achieving the goals you truly desire. So let's get started. To begin, we're going to use the SMART goal framework as our guide. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is the key to creating real estate goals that work. First up, be specific about your real estate goals. Instead of saying, I want to invest in real estate, say, I want to acquire 3 rental properties in the next 2 years. Clarity is power. Second, make sure your goals are measurable. How will you know you're making progress? Track your success by setting clear milestones. For instance, I will save X dollars for a down payment by the end of this year. Next, ensure that your goals are achievable. Don't set yourself up for failure with unrealistic expectations. Ask yourself, is this within my means, considering my current resources and skills? The fourth element is relevance. Your real estate goals should align with your long-term vision. Ask, does this goal bring me closer to my ultimate real estate aspirations? Finally, set a deadline. Having a time frame creates urgency and keeps you accountable. For example, I will purchase my first investment property within the next 12 months. Now, let's talk about mindset. Achieving your real estate goals isn't just about what, but the how and the why. Your mindset is the key that unlocks the door to success. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome challenges. Remember, your life is an example of what you allow. Don't settle for less than you deserve. Push past your comfort zone, cultivate a growth mindset, and surround yourself with a supportive network. So in summary, use the SMART framework to craft your real estate goals. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And never underestimate the power of your mindset. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on real estate and personal development. You've got this. Natasha Antonioni signing off. We'll see you soon. Bye.